was having a discussion with my friend, and she thinks that I have a bad memory. To prove that I have a good memory, I brought this with me today. I will need you to shuffle it for me, please, to make sure that I can memorize it.
Shuffle it. Good?
That is good.
Is that enough
and then if
shuffle?
you can shuffle it for me as well.
Shuffle that here.
Thank you so much. If you can make sure that you cannot see anything through this, please. Just check. Can you see anything?
I cannot see
No.
a thing.
Can you check this?
Completely dark.
Give me 2 seconds to memorize it. Okay, got it. So,
Something you don't see every day.
now it shouldn't take long, maybe 30 minutes or so. So I hope you have patience.
30 minutes?
No, it should be much faster than that. Should be.
I'm in shock and awe.
Oh my gosh, you better be kidding
That is
me.
amazing.
You better be kidding me.
You have a good memory, I'll tell you that much. It goes full.
You better be, I mean,
That's insane. I couldn't do that. It's not blindfolded.
I can't even believe that. I can't believe you just did that.
That's crazy. I wish I had my camera.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. It was very nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Yeah, that was cool.
Hey, sexy.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi. I'm Ricardo.
Hola, Ricardo.
Espérate, nos van a embrujar con la cámara, nos van a
¿Les puedo
embrujar.
mostrar? ¿Les puedo mostrar algo?
Sí.
It's pretty well mixed. If you want to mix it really quick, a couple of mixes. Okay, I'm gonna put a blindfold. Before I put it on, can you make sure that you cannot see anything through it? Can you see? Make sure you can.
Oh, baby.
Okay, so we're gonna get. Before I put it on, let me look at it. Make sure I memorize how it is. Okay, I got it. Okay, if I can have my hat first. Let me have my hat first. Hold on. Okay. I should have a side ready, a white side already done. Holy oh wow,
That's dope.
that's dope. Are you gonna post it on YouTube or what?
That was all EA. That was dope. That was crazy. That was cool. So amazing. I'm proud of you.